Good afternoon, this is from Dubrovnik. I'm Zita Santi with the US Embassy, asking a couple of questions of State Secretary Robert Markt from the Ministry of Economy. From University of Zagreb, what do you expect about the employment level in Croatia? Is it going to stay the same? Is it going to grow? Or do you expect another round of jobless growth as happened during the 1990s?
Well, we are doing so many things that is not yet published, and they are in focus of opening new jobs by providing the new investments and by attracting foreign companies to come to Croatia to start with not only a brownfield investment but also to do some greenfield investments, which we evaluate as the most important for us in this moment.
And do you expect that there are going to be any obstacles to your exports from Croatian countries to overseas? Could you talk a little bit about the two biggest trade partnerships that you make?
Well, I would love to hear if there is some experience that some companies faced with the obstacles in exports. We, as a Ministry of Economy, prepared 28 million of kunas to support the export activity, to support companies that are interested to go abroad and present their products, to start some business relations. We also harmonize our laws with the laws of the European Union, and we are working on transparency of the regulations for the export. So, from my point of view, I don't see an obstacle for exports, but if there is any, I would be very happy to hear directly from the company so that we could fight against that obstacle.
I would also think that the Brown Forum is a good opportunity to find out exactly answers to questions like these so that your government can also listen to what local investors and foreign investors are saying about the climate and also the conduct of trade. So I hope that you are enjoying the Brown Forum and its opportunity to meet people you haven't had a chance to meet with until now. Do you have any other comments about the Brown Forum you'd like to make?
No, I think that this kind of communication we all need to exchange our views, to exchange our experience, and tomorrow when we come back to our office that we could have a very clear agenda what to do, what the business is interested in, and because, as you know, we are here to help the business. So I would really encourage all these kind of activities. For example, tomorrow I will be in Sarajevo speaking with the Bosnian companies also interested to invest in Croatia. As you know, we have some Croatian companies present in Bosnia and in the whole region, so I think that the dialogue is the most important in this moment.
Great. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.